Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is Samsung brand 9 kg heat pump system, latest model here in UAE. I'm going to explain to you how to use this machine. Also, all the programs I'm going to explain how you can use, what are the benefits we can get. After that, I will show you how to work this unit and we will go to the next step. You can see, dear friends, first this is the model. This one you can see the model here, BV90944GHGU. This is the model actually, and this one look like a very beautiful machine. And this machine available almost 19 programming system wise. This is 19 program. I've already given power connection. Now I will on the machine here. This machine actually, it's while you purchasing this machine here in UAE, you can get 2-year warranty. Also on a digital inverter motor, this one you can get 20 years warranty. You can see here, it is already mentioned. This model actually, it's model the Samsung Bespoke AI heat pump dryer. It is basically it is premium 9 kg dryer design for high energy efficiency. When you buy this one, you can save your electricity bill more than 50%. That much. This is efficiency. It is consumption. Electricity consumption is very less. This is actually energy rating. It is 9 stars. I'm going to explain to you about this machine, key technology and features. This heat pump technology use refrigerant to heat the air and recycles warm air. This conventional dryer and is much gently on cloth, preventing wrinkles. That means actually when you use this one, it's not coming any wrinkle with your fabric. Not like any other dryer system. The AI dry multi-sensing technology continuously monitors the humidity and temperature of the cloth, adjusted to the dry time in real time, avoid over drying and save energy. Also, quick dry compressor technology that reduce drying time by up to 35% without compromising energy efficiency. AI control, the panel learns your habit. This is the beautiful. The panel learns your habit. It remembers your most frequency use, cycle and setting. Shorten them to the top of the menu, so you don't have to scroll every time. That is a beauty actually, because this one monitoring our habit. No need to always select. When you open the door and load the fabric, after that itself it will come to the your previous cycle. That is the beauty actually this machine. And super speed can drive 5 kg mixed load. Also hygiene care, it is the most favorite option with this machine. Sanitize both dry and wet items using high temperature heat to eliminate 99% of bacteria and allergy. It's destroy when you select allergy care. The silent dry, actually this one working compressor only, and also DD motor inverter system. It is decibel below. This one actually it is below decibel 62 approximately. It will come 62 decibel. It always is making sound below 50 decibel. That means very silent machine. This machine. The other beauty is this machine. This door you can, if you, that is as per your requirement, If it is you cannot open at your room, the laundry room, you can remove this door. After that you can fix this side, and also it should go to the other side. That is actually very good option, because most probably we are going to the customer house, that some customers are requesting kindly change this door, but any other I never found. Only this model we can reversible door, and that's mean if you cannot open other side, we can reversible. That's mean we can fix inches here and door other side. That is actually very nice, very good option with this machine. Now I'm going to show you step one by one. This machine available more than 18 options. Now its first wheel, it came cotton. It is for general cotton items only, towel and t-shirts. You can use with this one maximum 9 kg. This one you also, it is already mentioning time set based on load. This is the 9 kg maximum load you can use with the cotton option. Also after that we will go to the AI dry. Now it is I selected only the it is the next step. It's showing AI dry. That one also you can see maximum we can use 9 kg. The time set for the based on load. That is multi-sensor actually technology, continuously monitor the humidity and temperature of the cloth, adjusting the drying time in real time, avoid drying and save energy. This is the AI dry system actually. When you select the super speed, you can see here it's showing only the maximum 5 kg only. That super speed actually pass drying for medium load. That's mean 5 kg only. You can use. Also synthetic when you select actually synthetic, also it's showing here maximum 4 kg and 1 hour and 14 minutes it will machine run continuously. This synthetic mean actually polyester item only, polyester cloth you can use with this option. Also we will go to the next option. This is delegate. Delegate also you can see here, it is the maximum you can use 10 kg 2 kg only delegate, but it will take 1 hour and 10 minutes. This one actually, this machine is taking long time because energy efficiency and wrinkle and optimal dry system, that because of that actually it will take time. The 2 kg delegate when you select, it will go 1 hour and 10 minutes. You can use with this delicate silk and rain only. That's mean actually low temperature while you selecting delicate machine will run. Also bedding, after that it will come bedding option. Bedding option also it's showing 2 kg and you can see here time 2 hour and 50 minutes it will go. If it is showing 2 hour and 50 minutes, that's mean while running time. If it when you select only 2 kg, it's not going 2 hour and 50 minutes. This is actually itself, it will realizing sensors. If it is 100% dry, before that machine will get shut off. That's when automatically it will check itself. After that it will get off. We will go to the next option. It is shirts. This is actually when you select, it is 1 kg only it's showing, that 50 minutes, that's mean below 1 hour. When you select the shirts, this is gently drying to the reduced wrinkle. If not coming actually any wrinkle, that 1 kg when you select, when you load the fabric, it is only the 50 minutes. And we will go to the next step, that's hygiene care. Earlier also I already explained to you that is hygiene care, maximum 2 kg only. And we will go to the next option, that's been wool. That is actually it's showing only the 1 kg wool also. That is gently drying for the machine, washable wool mark certificate, wool fabric only. It is everybody knows wool mean some wool cloth. It is making by hand. That one only you can use 1 kg. This wool option 27 minutes only. Also we will go to the next option, outdoor option. This one actually the water outdoor, it will come maximum 2 kg, also 1 hour and 15 minutes. It is actually water replenishment wear. That's mean silky hiking clothes you can use with this option. Also we will go to the next. Okay, this is iron dry, but any other unit also, any other machine also having 9 here iron dryer. This one maximum you can use same 9 kg iron dry 1 hour and 40 minutes. While you using this one anyway, you have, that's mean you cannot get 100% dry. That's mean 80% 90% only. After that you have to take and you have to iron your fabric. This is the this option modified. And we will go to the next time dry. It is actually we can select timing here when you select this one, but any other we cannot. That's mean we can select 150 minutes and 3 minutes, 3 hours, 4 hours and 20 minutes minimum, and maximum 3 hour we can select like that. 40 minutes, 50, 1 hour, it's like that. We can select as your requirement. You can select time dry. And we will go to the next option, warm air. You can see, dear friends, this is warm air. That mean actually it's not getting 100% dry. It will only the warming only your fabric, but as per your requirement you can select here 1 hour, 1.5, 2 hour, 2.5, 3 hour, 4 hour. It is maximum same like time dry option. It is warm air also same. Also cool air also in this machine. Now we will go to the here. This is the cool air also same. Whatever as per your requirement. Only the cool air it will come. No, not getting warm your fabric. That means it is not the dry option. It is only the cool air it will come. After that we will go to the air refresh. This one, that's mean actually it is maximum 2 kg. When you select this air refresh, we cannot do any extra. We cannot this one we can wrinkle prevent on works up to, again I will select wrinkle works for up to 3 hours, but machine will run only the 40 minutes air fresh. That's mean 1 kg you can use only, you know, that is without washing, like jacket and like that clothes you can use this option. Now we will go, this is towel. You can see here it is maximum 4 kg towels. When you select this one, high heat for heavy towels only you can use. That's mean 4 kg. For example, when you select this option only, you can use only the wet one towel. It will come 4 hours. You can select here this one, wrinkle prevent on work up to 3 hours. That's mean actually that is we can use that option also. Time set based on load. This is 4 kg, and we will go to the next step, and that is quick dry 35 minutes. We cannot do anything here. This one you can see wrinkle prevent off. We can use wrinkle prevent on. If it is quick 35 minutes, it is only the 1 kg it's showing. But when you select this one wrinkle prevent on, it will work 3 hours continuously. That's mean not getting heat, nothing, just only the wrinkle prevent. Now I think you know how to use this machine. Now I think you got some ideas about this machine, how to use. And next step, this filter. This one you have to, every 2 cycles you have to clean this filter. This is 2-in-1, 3-in-1 filter here. Lint and moisture, everything it will catch from this heater filter. And every cycle I'm explaining to you, actually I'm giving advice. Every cycle if you can clean this one, it is good for the machine. And also here water dryer, don't wait until filling. Every cycle you have to throw out this water. You have to empty water dryer container. Now I'm thinking you got some ideas about this machine, and we will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.